Hi, this is Yvette Francina from SearchSoftwareQuality.com here with Selena Delesie, who is going to be presenting tomorrow morning. So, Selena, tell us a little bit about yourself, how you got into testing, and then a little bit about your presentation tomorrow.
So I first got into testing kind of by a fluke, and I think that happens to a lot of people. My resume was in the wrong pile, and someone said, oh, this resume is in the wrong pile, but let's bring her in for this job. And I ended up being hired. The really cool thing for me was after being in computer science in university and not learning anything about testing, I discovered that I could actually get paid for doing testing. And I thought that was the coolest thing ever. The things that I most enjoyed in university was actually trying to figure out what the problems were in the code I was writing, and also for my friends' software. So actually being able to do that hands-on myself and finding the problems was just so much fun. So over the years I've done a lot of different roles in testing and just got more and more engaged in that. So testing, a test lead, a project lead, a program test lead, I've been a test manager, and since then I've moved into agile coaching. And the thing that I love about that is that I'm able to not just interface with my test organization, but with the programmers as well as the management and our executive stakeholders, our customers, and really help all of them infuse a passion for building quality and right from the get-go. As an employee before, I really struggled with how to do that effectively when I was boxed as being a tester. And since moving out of just being a tester, I'm able to effectively help transform organizations into building quality and helping testers find their niche in their organization outside of just running test cases. So it's been a lot of fun.
Great. Can you tell us a little about the presentation tomorrow?
Yes. One of the things that I hear a lot from testers and QA people is that they don't have budget to go to conferences, so they don't have time to learn new testing skills, which is really frustrating to hear because there's so many opportunities that they have available to them that are free of charge. Some things that they can do is work within their own organization and do mini workshops where they test an application and then they talk about what they did and how they did it and learn from each other. If you want an opportunity to do that on a larger scale with international testers, a lot of leading thinker international testers also is following the weekend testers movement. It's a group of people who for 1 hour they will test an application with a particular mission, and then they'll share their experiences and what they learned and share their techniques and how they approach testing. And that's a phenomenal way to gain new testing skills, and it doesn't cost anything. So there's a lot of other online activities that people can do outside of just reading books, reading blogs, engaging on Twitter and talking to other testers through Twitter and talking about your problems and coming up with solutions. The technology today has transformed how we can learn things and how we can engage with other people, and my message really is to take advantage of those opportunities and don't allow yourself to be squashed by your manager who says that there's no budget. So take learning in your own hands and follow your ideas and follow your dreams and just go with it. Learn new things.
Thanks so much.